Hi. You're hugging me like April was hugging me. Sorry, she's taking video.
Kristen.
Oh. This is what she Alright, ready?
Kristen. You need to go to the restroom? Okay, this way.
Alright. So this
This is the back. You gotta go to the back of the. Where?
Body. Here, show this.
Okay.
So we gotta put our pants.
Roll your pants up. Put your pants in your socks so they don't get water on them and other fluids. Here's where you wash your hands afterwards, okay?
Well, that's amazing. We got water.
First, we gotta go.
My napkins I stole from the restaurant
got
to
your
wipe my butt
napkin.
cheeks.
Okay. Go this way. This is actually a really pretty walk. I said boom shaka laka boom boom. Okay. Nope, that's not it. Keep going. Keep going. Past the pigeons. I'm not sure if they're pigeons. Okay, yeah, we're getting closer. You can smell it. We're getting closer.
Oh.
There's your little hand washing. That's your butt washing station.
Could you hold my bag? Are you coming in the bathroom with me? Did you find it?
Nanette. Look, there's water over here. It's a little pond. See if we can see in here at these chickens.
Don't look down.
Don't look down. Make sure your pants are tucked in. Do you have any bathroom advice?
Bring your own toilet paper.
Bring your own toilet paper. That's great advice. Kristen, what I did was I just threw it through the little hole at the top. There's a little hole that goes over to that water side.
Come here. Sam. Jessica. Are you guys looking at my butt? Did you really do that?